My family means the world to me, and creating an environment where my family feels safe and comfortable is one of the benefits of personal injury law.
I have a beautiful family, and I get to see them every day. And when I see them, it makes me appreciate what I have. It also brings it into perspective of what many of my clients have lost.
Personal injuries don't just affect the victim who has been hurt. It affects the entire family. And we recognize how important it is to preserve the roles that everyone has in the family.
My family really brings it into perspective, and I know when we bring a lawsuit against an unsafe business, unsafe person, in the end, it's going to make the community a better place, and it's going to make it safer for all of us.
I went out to get some supplies for my USTA tennis team, and I stepped in the crosswalk. That's the last thing I remember. The car hit me on the right leg, went over the top of the lady's car, and come down on my shoulder and my head. This leg was broke, my shoulder was broke, and I had a concussion, a 5-inch incision in my head, and with staples in it. With the concussion and stuff, I think these other things were almost secondary. The concussion was the primary injury, and it's something I deal with today.
Robert and Aaron actually sought out and found resources from the insurance company that we didn't know were available and that the insurance company had not told us was available.
And they're very on top of stuff, and they kept us informed of what was going on and what was coming next. I felt they did a good job.
If somebody asked me, or even if they didn't, I absolutely wouldn't hesitate to recommend them at any time.
Robert and I have been doing this for a long time, and we've been fortunate enough to meet and to help many clients over the years. And what we've learned is that we will take the clients as they are and for who they are, and take their case and present it in the best light, to tell their story, to make sure at the end of the day that they are treated fairly.
If you're faced with a personal injury, you're dealing with things you've never dealt with before in your life. We want to help remove all of those anxieties for you so that you can focus on one thing: getting better. Once you get better, leave it to us to hold the other side responsible for what it took to get you better.